Module 6, the social channel. Lesson 1, connect LinkedIn. Email is the spine of your marketing, but your audience also lives on social. Simple marketing posts to your own channels from the same workspace, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, with the same AI assist and the same provenance rules as everything else. Open social in the sidebar under Intelligence. Two things live here: connected accounts, the channels this workspace can publish to, and the posts list, everything drafted, scheduled, or published, with engagement once posts go live. A new workspace starts with no connections, so the first job is connecting a channel. Click Connect for LinkedIn. You're sent to LinkedIn itself to approve the connection. You sign in there, pick the company page you manage, and approve the permissions. That's OAuth. Simple marketing never sees your LinkedIn password. It receives a scoped token that allows posting to the page you chose and nothing else. Back in the workspace, the account appears under Connected Accounts with the page name and a connected status. One thing worth knowing: tokens expire. If LinkedIn ever drops the connection, the account flips to a reconnect state and posts pause rather than fail silently. Reconnecting is the same one-click approval. With one account connected, the Compose button goes live. Drafts can target the channel, scheduling works against it, and published posts pull engagement back into the workspace, so social performance sits next to your email stats. That's the connection. Next lesson, composing a post with AI Assist, sized for the channel, with provenance on every AI draft. See you there.